Today, I'm going to tell you how to make the 100% detox pineapple mint juice. Now, this is something that you definitely need to try in empty stomach. It's rich in vitamins and antioxidants and keeps you fresh throughout the day. For this, I'm going to take about 200 grams of pineapples nicely washed and chopped. Ensure that you take the thorns out of it. Add a spoon of pepper immediately. Top it up with some mint leaves which are washed and cleaned. On top of this, we add some salt. We top this up with some lemon juice to provide us with a tangy taste. We can typically squeeze half a lemon for this. Next, we add some water and add enough water to submerge all the fruits together. It's time to grind this juice completely and run it through a sieve so that all the hard particles are taken off. Typically, in case there are any thorns or seeds, will be taken off through the sieve. Next, we add some honey, which is completely optional, depending on how sweet you want the drink to be. Our 100% detox drink is now ready.